13th of June 2018. It's 1:30 in the morning and I'm on the M4 motorway, approaching the bridge over the River Severn, so I shall soon be in England and on my way to Heathrow Airport to catch a plane to Stockholm. And I'm going to Sweden to collect a birthday present that I was given 2 years ago on my 75th birthday, and I'm really looking forward to it. Well, it's now 4 o'clock and I've arrived at Heathrow and the airport is absolutely empty. There's practically nobody here at all, and I don't think the security's even open. Had a really good trip through and arrived very early. Well, the sun's rising over London and Heathrow Airport, and I've gone through security. Now I'm going to go get something to eat. We flew over Stockholm and then over Arlanda Airport. There it is. I'm finally in for a very bumpy landing. Met by Hilda and Pio, and whisked off on Saturday morning to Bromma Airport on the Hummingbird Aviation Services, when this young lad checked us in and then marched us off to the hangar. And my crew are in the hangar, and that gave us a briefing.
We have a safety briefing here before they come to us. So we are gonna, well, the pilot's gonna put down the helicopter just a few meters in front of us here. And I will first help those passengers to get out, and then I will call you to me, so to say. And you have some areas here where to be and where to not be. It's okay to be here in the green area, always in the front of the helicopter, because the rotors will be turning all time when you enter and when you go off the helicopter. When you enter, don't step on this. Yeah, the first one there. So it's the next, the black step you can go on.
Right.
And then in the helicopter you have in the back the 3-point seat belts, and you lift this like in regular airplanes to put the safety belts off. And in the front you have four of these, so over your shoulders and around your waist, and you turn around this to release it. And then you have a headset as well, and you have to speak very close to your microphone so you can hear each other, and also speak very loud. And then when you go off the helicopter you have to wait for me, because I have to bring you to the gate. So wait for me when I'm preparing for the other passengers. Okay, any questions?
No, that's fine.
No?
The time to get excited is coming, and the aircraft we're waiting for has just arrived on its previous trip, and now we're going to be walked out to the helicopter. We've got to get the others off first, and there they are from their previous ride, and we're going to get in and go. Just like an ordinary aeroplane, he has to follow the taxiways. And when we got to this holding point, there was another helicopter coming in, so we had to wait And we waited a couple of minutes. And there's the other helicopter coming in there now. And once that's down, we can carry on. That's it. We're on the move again. Are we? Yes, we are. We're off. Taxi out to the runway. There we go. Turn onto the runway. Pick up a bit of forward speed. And climb away. And off we go. Away from Brommer Airport. Brommer Airport is the domestic airport, and it's right close to the city. Used to be the main airport, but no longer the main one. No international flights here, apart from I think possibly other Scandinavian countries. Well, the young pilot we had was very good. He gave running commentary all the way through, and in English for me, which I thought was very kind of him. And unfortunately, I can't name all the areas that we go over, but I know we're fairly close to Solna at the moment, which is where Pio lives. And when he saw the video, he actually saw his block of apartments. Stockholm is a wonderful city. I'm not a city person. I like the countryside, I like the open spaces, and I love the water. But if there was one city that I had to live in, that's him making sure I could hear properly. If there's one city I could live in, I would choose Stockholm. I love it, absolutely love it. Everybody ought to visit Stockholm. Culture, the architecture, the history, the water, and you can see how much green there is. And that's looking out towards the archipelago, which the Swedes call Skärgården. And Skärgården actually means rock garden, or more precisely, Skerry garden. So when you get right out to the outside, about 30 miles out that way, the islands become less vegetation and smooth rocks, skerries in other words. But the amount of water in Stockholm is fantastic. All islands, all joined together by bridges, tunnels. The city of Stockholm sits on 14, I believe I'm right in saying, 14 islands, and the water that you're looking at now is the part of the Baltic, which is semi-salt, and shortly when we turn, we will be going over part of Lake Belleran, or you'll see it in the distance, and that is freshwater. And the city of Stockholm divides the two. The water level difference is only very small, but you do have to go through a set of locks, or as they call them, sluices. Now looking out this way, you're looking out towards the open Baltic Sea, but it's about 30 or more miles away. I can't actually see it from there, but we're looking towards a town called Vaxholm. It's a nice town to go and visit. And we're just coming up towards the cruise ship terminal and the ferries that go to Finland, Estonia, and I suspect the other Baltic states. we're flying at 450 meters altitude above land level, sea level. That's about 1,500 feet, thereabouts. It's a great shame that I couldn't record his commentary, but that was coming through the headphones, and I couldn't make the camera pick it up. Well, we're now going to be flying towards the centre of the city, and in the middle there is Galveston, the old city. On the island in the foreground used to be a military establishment. And to the right there's the modern city. And although there are areas that are densely populated, as there's also lots and lots of water. Everywhere water. And that's what I love about this city. I'm very keen, or was a very keen sailor. Maybe just a little bit past it now. But it makes my heart flutter when I see all that water. The flight actually lasted about 20 minutes, but all good things come to an end. There's Brommer Airfield again. So the pilot's getting ready to line up the finals, keeping a good lookout everywhere for other traffic. I didn't actually hear him speaking to air traffic control, so whether he was doing that and switching the speaker off for us, I don't know. But we're about to turn on to finals. Fairly short finals, I must say. And having flown fixed-wing airplanes, his approach was completely different. Much higher, steeper drop. There's the runway. And I must say that was an absolutely fabulous birthday present, and I have to thank you all so much for it. Wonderful experience, and I've now seen Stockholm from the road and the water, having sailed my own boat into the harbour there, and now I've seen it from the air. And on the drive back after this, I saw it from underground, because we went through a lot of tunnels. It seems very strange to be taxiing in the air, but that's what it has to do, and it's got no wheels. There's my welcoming committee waiting for me as we land safely.